So let's start from, where do we start from? Euro dollar, or let's go to the top. Let's start from GBP USD today. All right, so we're starting with GBP USD. Your internet is your internet is, yeah, I'm gonna upload it, don't worry. Bianca, don't worry, I'm gonna upload it. All right, France from Namibia. Okay, all right. Okay, should we say where we are coming from today again? All right, let's try that. So, France is from Namibia. US. US, and where are you from? Yes, we're starting now. Felix is UK. Felix, my man. Welcome from the UK. We're talking from the UK as well. Glad that you're here. So, Masha, we're going to start very soon. Now, in the next 1 minute, we just want everybody to identify where they're coming from. And then we go. We kick the engine start. We start the engine. Start the ball rolling. Okay. Right. Is it cold? Gee, it's cold in Namibia. Oh, so you must be passing through some kind of a winter now. Okay. While it's getting hot here and it's getting cold over there. All right. Fantastic. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it. All right. Excellent. All right, ladies and gentlemen, shall we start then? Okay. All right. Let's start then. Let's kick the ball rolling. Today is Friday. Everybody wants to go home and relax and enjoy with the family. Okay, so now let's start with this one. We said we are going to start with GBP USD. Okay, so this is GBP USD today. This is the story. If you look at the long story, is that initially we were bearish on GBP. Then we break some kind of our little resistance here. And then we were able to go long again, and finally we went short. So you will see three types of trade. So you see one trade here, a short trade here, a long trade here, which actually did not hit any stop loss and probably closed that second trade. And the third trade is right here, which probably is either ongoing or it's closed with a take profit TP1. But we are going to analyze that, okay? All right. Okay, Bianca, first time, I can imagine. Yeah. All right, Collins from Pale of Africa. Good. And the Horn of Africa as well. Great stuff. So let's do some analysis here. Okay, so we know this is the box here. It's between 7 and 8 GMT, or we say 9 and 10 IC markets. Okay, so that is what we call the box. IC market 9 to 10, GMT 7 to 8. Okay, so let's quickly check that box. Let's quickly check the box. So you know here that you don't want to see the Asian session on the box, on the chart. That's why you put the color to nothing. Asian color is nothing. Europe color is purple, and we set the time for Euro color. Even though you set the time for Asian, but because you are not representing it with any color, it means it's not going to show on the chart. It's going to be blank. Right, so next one is we're looking at USA. So USA as well, we don't set any color. So even though the time is there, no color. Okay, so what we did was we only put one single color, which is for the Europe session, 9 to 10, purple. Okay, so that's why on the chart you only see purple color, which is the European session. The first hour of trading in European session. This is it. Okay. So, welcome, Crypto. You're not late. Glad that you are joining us. Welcome, Eric. Good to see you. Never mind, you're not late. You're still on time. Okay. So, now let us do this in our normal way. Okay. We're going to be fast initially and later on we slow down. So I'm zooming in a little bit so we can see. Okay, so this is what happened today. This is the box that formed. Okay, and this is where we had a trigger candle. Okay, so fingers on the buzzer, please, everybody. I want you to tell me the trigger candle here. Okay, so I'm going to start with this candle here, this long bearish candle here as my candle number 1. This is candle number 2. This next bearish is candle number 3. This doji is candle 4. And which one is our trigger candle? Who's that? Mr. Alex. You're going to be the prof now, yeah? Mr. Alex is going to be promoted to the professor level, but not yet. Okay, I need to see a lot of stuff first. Okay, so number 4. You said number 4, Mr. Alex. Okay, Hanan said number 4. France said number 4. Okay. Is that the right answer? Hello, is that your final answer? Or you want to call a friend? You want to call a friend, or is that your final answer? You want to phone a friend, or is that your final answer? Is that your final answer? Hey. Great stuff. Okay. All right, you want to ask the audience? Okay, let's ask the audience. Audience, what's your final answer? All right, let's see. Let's see what the audience says. You know what? Audience say is 4. Okay, let's see whether the audience is right. All right. So if you tell me your answer is number 1, I'll say no, my friend, it is wrong. If you say it's number 2, it is actually wrong because we couldn't see gap between this candle and the line. So if you can't see a gap, that means it's touching. Number 3 as well, the same situation, it is touching. All right, so this little doji fly, number 4, is our little candle who actually becomes our trigger candle. So, hurrah, we found it. We found the trigger candle. Therefore, we are going to label it and put a marker on it and say, my friend, you are the trigger candle. Here you go. Here's your badge. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we know when we take a short position from here, we put our take profit at the top. Sorry, our stop loss at the top here. When you go short here, our stop loss is at the top. You might add 1 or 2 pips just to avoid this line. Add 1 or 2 pips to that line, okay? And what is our take profit target? Our take profit target will be the size of this box. We always pray to have a decent size of the box. Decent one. Yeah, this is a very good size. This is the type of size we are looking for. This is 22 pips, okay? 22 or 23 pips. So let's go and find out if we hit our jackpot. Did we hit our jackpot today, which is the TP1? Jackpot TP1. Did we hit our jackpot TP1 today? Okay, which is from here to here. We're looking for 22 pips. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got 33 pips. So there is no excuse not to hit your TP1 on this one. Not a single excuse. Because you got over 10 pips above your TP1. So you should be all right. Okay, you should be okay. Good stuff. All right, so what happened after that? After you hit your TP1 here, what happened? Prices went back up. It went here, it never returned back to even go into any trade. So the next thing we see is we pop out of the box, and suddenly we got another signal. So fingers on the buzzer, please, everybody. Tell me which one is the signal here. Candle 1, candle 2. Which one is the signal? 1 or 2? Fingers on the buzzer. Luna, welcome, Luna. Hannah, RK, Arkan, you are welcome. Yes, the audience has answered the question. Okay, now the audience are answering the question again. Number 1 or 2. It looks like the audience are sharp today. Man, this is Friday. We are not supposed to be sharp on Friday. We're supposed to be sleepy. We're supposed to be putting our tools down this Friday, relax, enjoy. That's what we need to do on Friday. But you guys don't want to do that. You want to work hard. I admire you for that, ladies and gentlemen. I really admire you for that. Okay, so now we see candle number 1 and number 2. So if you say number 1, you are wrong. But if you say number 2, you are absolutely correct. Because I can see from here, I don't know whether it's so clear or glaring to you over there, but I could see that this is not touching. It is not touching. So here we'll say we go long from here. All right, so we go long from here. Remember, this is our second trade. We finished the first trade with TP1. Now we are going second trade. Okay, second trade is from here. Remember, our take profit is still the same, 22, 23 pips. So let's try to see if we can make the second trade from that line. Second trade, 22 pips. Yes, we can. This is 31 pips. So no excuse not to make your TP1 again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's second trade today. TP1 here, TP1 here. Okay, now what are we saying again? Fingers on the buzzer. Third trade, trade number 3. So this is the one that we close. Remember, we closed this trade. Now we're going for the third trade. Okay, so this is the candles. This is candle number 1, candle number 2. Which is the trigger candle? 1 or 2? Trigger candle 1 or 2? Which one is the trigger candle? Is it candle number 1? Is it candle number 2? This is candle number 1. That's candle number 2. All right? Yeah. Alexander, sir, is there any other thing to consider before taking trade with SBS? Nothing to consider. For now, nothing, absolutely nothing to consider. This is just free, you know. As you know that it's not 100% win ratio, so it is close to 70-80%. So we are not expected to win every trade, but you are going to win more than you will lose with this strategy. All right, so Alexander, you say number 4. Where is 4 coming from? Is that your imaginary 4, right? I can see you put apostrophe after that. Okay, yeah, okay, I understand. I got ya. Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna put our line over there at the close of this candle number 2. Number 2 is our candle, yeah. And from there we are looking, this we sold here. Our stop loss is just on this line or just a little bit above it. Our take profit is still the same number, 22 pips that we measured earlier. So now let's measure from here to this place and see if we reach 22 pips. All right. Did we get 22 pips? Yes, we got 33 pips. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you had 3 trades on this pair today. 3 good trades. Trade number 1, TP1. Trade number 2, TP1. Trade number 3, TP1. Okay, so for this, you've already made your day. Even for trading this one only, you have made 3 times the size of this box. The size of this box is 22 pips. So on this, you have made 66 pips today. Well done if you've done that. Hello. Good stuff. Right, so who has traded this today? Anyone traded this today live or demo? What is your experience? What did you see? Did you get scared initially? Because it's possible. Look, when you went into this trade here at a buy, it didn't give you too much room. Actually, let me measure how many pips you were able to make before it reverses on you. Because we went into the trade. Oh, yeah. We went into the trade from this candle here. Okay. All right. So you didn't have chance to make 10 pips. Okay. So, and the trade reverses. I'm sure your hands and your mouth thinking, oh my goodness, I'm going to go and hit my stop loss. Alas, just before it gets to your stop loss, it stopped. Just before it gets to your stop loss, it stopped. Great. Hello, so ladies and gentlemen, now we are on this one here. So we made TP1 here, we made TP1 there, another TP1. So on this, we have made 66 pips. Okay, let's try the next one. What next? What next? USD Swiss francs. Anybody? Anybody up for USD Swiss francs? USD Swiss francs. Anybody? Okay, so when we do USD chef, let's see what happened. Any difference? Let's see what happened. Fingers on the buzzer again. Let me expand it so you can see. Okay. All right, let me slow down now because of the new people that joined. Okay. So for the newcomers, okay, let me explain the strategy for you. Okay. So the strategy is about the first hour of European session, which is 7 to 8 GMT. Okay. So we draw a line at the high of that session, of that 1 hour, and draw a line at the low of that 1 hour. So let me make sure this line are right at the bottom. Yeah. So you draw a line at the bottom of the hour and a line at the height of the hour. Remember, we are using 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes charts. Okay. So now, after your box is complete, then you'll be looking for a breakout from inside this box. So the breakout could be up, it could be down. Okay. So but the breakdown we're looking for is not just coming out of the box only. It has to be out of the box completely without touching it. Okay. You can see this candle is out of the box, but it's still touching it. It's out of the box, but it's still touching it. Okay. So that is not the candle we are looking for. That's not the candle we are looking for. The candle we are looking for is this candle here. This one is out of the box completely and it's not touching it. Okay, so this is candle 1. It's not what we are looking for. Candle 2 is our answer. Okay, so we got into candle 2. That is our trigger candle. So I'm going to put a line there now. At the close of that candle, at the close of that candle is our trigger candle. Okay, now we need to work out what is our take profit target. So when you trade here, your stop loss is right over here at this high line here. That's your stop loss. And let's work out our take profit is the size of this box. Size of the box this time around, oh, nice size as well, 15 pips. Size of the box is 15 pips. So we are looking for 15 pips from here. Let me zoom out so we see. Okay, from here we're looking for 15 pips. Let's see if we get 15 pips from here. Oh, now we got 12 pips. Okay, now that we got 12 pips, are we going to let the 12 pips turn into complete wiped out? When you have 12 pips already, right, and then price reverses against you because you want to get 15 pips, so you are 3 pips short of your target, and now price is reversing back from plus 12 to 10 to 8 to 6 to 4 to 2 to 0, and then becoming minus 2, minus 4, minus 8, minus 15, minus 10, minus 12, minus 15, thereabout. Are you going to just watch and see the price do that? My own suggestion is, once you have made up to 10 pips and price start to reverse, it is better for you to come out at break even where you enter the market. It's better to come out with no loss and no gain, because you are going to try again when you get another chance. Okay, so let's call this one break even. So that means you weren't able to do much. Okay, all right, in this case you got tricked into a trade here. That one is a long trade. Let me zoom into it. This one is a long trade, which actually will stop you out because there's nothing much you can do in this scenario. It will stop you out here. And any other trade, okay, you have a new trade after that, maybe here, another trade here. You are looking for 15 pips. I don't think you got 15 pips on this one, but if you don't, it's still ongoing. Okay, oh, this one does give you 15 pips. This one is a 16.7, 16, 17 pips. So you got your TP1 here, and you're out of the market because since then the market has gone nowhere. It's flat. It's not in a range. So the story of this currency pair today is that here you didn't get close to your, you didn't get to your TP. You are short 3 pips, but you should have come out break even. But here you get your TP1. Any question? Any question, anybody? Okay, you're not watching this live. You answer for the first GBP, not the third one. Okay, that's good. At least you got one. That's the most important thing. You got one. Hey. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, next thing we do is we look for, who wants to see something else before I jump into euro dollar. This is euro dollar. Do you want to see something else? Let's make this one a tick line. Do you want to see something else? Otherwise, I'll move to euro dollar, euro USD. Sheba. Okay, hello, Sheba. How you doing? You good? All right. You have a question? Yes, you can, Ali. You can. You just have to study it and see how it behaves. But you can. I would suggest Europe and Asian box together, because it seems it seems that the US box is always going to be big. It's going to be large because, you know, by the time the US open, European session is already on the way, and the volume of the market is extraordinary at that time. So you are going to probably see a huge 1 hour move. So the box could be large. Now let's look. This box now is 15 pips. So if you go back, if you do the same thing for US session, the box could be 35 pips or 40 pips or even more than that. Okay. All right, so the box could be that size. Great stuff. Okay, so should we analyze this one first, or we go into US 30? Okay, let's quickly analyze this one. Okay, here you have one trade which will probably hit your TP1 and TP2. Let me show you where the trade is. If I expand this one, okay, all right, fingers on the buzzer. This bullish candle is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. Which one is your trigger candle? 1, 2, 3. Which one is the trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Mr. Alex, you are getting closer. YK2000. If the box range is bigger, that H1 here, I don't place a trade that day. That's a good idea. Check it out. Okay, right. So ladies and gentlemen, let's watch it out. So the first candle, if you say number 1, I'm afraid to say to you, sorry, it is wrong. I don't usually like to say wrong, but of course it is wrong. No one got it wrong. If you say number 2, it is wrong because it's still touching. Candle 1 and candle 2 are still touching that line. The first candle that does not touch that line is candle number 3. Therefore, we found what we are looking for. We found it. We found the trigger candle, which is this one here, number 3. And there is our trigger candle. So we go long from there. And usually when we go long, our stop loss is the line below. Not this one, but the line below. Okay? Remember when we went short, the top line is our stop loss. When we go long, the lower line is our stop loss. Okay, so we went long here. And what were we looking for in terms of money and pips? Goodness me, we are looking for 20 pips. Actually, 20 pips. We're looking for 20 pips from that line. All right, from this line, do you think we can get 20 pips off to here? Do you think so? Let's check. We have to check it out. My oh my, we got 27, 28 pips. It's not bad. That means we are safe. Our TP1 is right in the money. So we bank that one. Okay. Okay, so now here you might take this as a signal, but I've always said let's find a candle that comes inside. So we have a candle here that comes inside, fine, and we will have gone another long after the close of this candle, right at the same spot. Can you imagine? Right on the same spot. Let me zoom in so that you can see. Right on the same spot. Remember, this line was the previous buy. Now you see, you don't take this one as a signal. Let's say you took this one, is already in the box and came out, and at the close of this third candle here, you go long. All right, you are looking for do we say 22 pips? How many do you have? You got 11 pips. So after 11 pips, ladies and gentlemen, you know you can't go home empty hand. I mean, you can't go home with a stop loss. After 10 pips, you must not go home with stop loss. You can go home with break even. Yeah, that's fine. If you start with $1,000 life account, or let's just put it $100 life account, and you took 2 trades, and those 2 trades are break even, okay? You might say, okay, yeah, you come out with some little pennies out there because of the spread or because of the commission, but you are not losing that much. So your account is still intact. Okay, so let's make sure we implement that. And finally, no more trade. That's the last trade of the day. Okay, we have another trade here, but it's going nowhere. If you are taking another sell trade here, it's still going nowhere. In fact, it's too late in the day to actually be taking trades. You know, after the US has opened for 2 or 3 hours, that's it. Close for the day. That's it. Look for another opportunity tomorrow. All right. Who is here? Felix. Yes. Callum. Callum. Hello. How are you, Callum? Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Good stuff. Okay. So somebody wants to see German 30. Did you say German 30? GE 30. Did somebody wants to see that? All right. Okay, US 30. Okay, US 30. Okay, let's go and see US 30. Somebody wants to see US 30. Where are you, US 30? Okay, we're getting closer and closer to US 30. There we go. US 30. Okay, for US 30, do you want to use Europe box or you want to use American box? Okay, Daudu, you are welcome. I see you. Welcome here. All right, so which box do you want to try? Do you want to try US box or Europe box? Okay, so if you are trying Europe box, which we have here, it's going to be a good day for you then. A good day to try Europe box on this one. Okay. You traded GBP today, but you lost. We have just discussed GBP. If you didn't panic and you follow the rules, you are not supposed to lose on GBP today. Because of you, I can quickly review it, even though we have gone through it already. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, see what's happened here. All right, so initially, if you look at this, you got short here, right? You can see this candle is completely out of the box. So that is the first candle that take you into the sell trade. Okay, at the close of that candle, you went to sell. Okay, so you sold there, and it was a scary ride for you, right? So it was scary because you can't even come out because you haven't made up to 10 pips yet. So it reverses on you, and nearly get to your stop loss. This is your stop loss. It didn't get there, and it went back to the same direction you have predicted earlier. Okay, so it went back, and now it started running down. Okay, so giving you the opportunity to calculate your TP1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get what is the size of the box. The size of the box on this occasion, the way they measure their pip is different. Let's say it's 131. 131. Okay, so from here we're looking for 131 pips. Let's see what we get. 131 we are looking for, and now we get 215. Okay, we're looking for 131, we got 215. That tells me that is great. And again, if you are somebody that like to milk the market, you want to make every bit of the market out, we got another chance. This one pop into the box again, and this is a trigger candle here. At the close of that candle, we're looking for 131, we said, or something like that, 131, and here is 183. So you make your TP1 as well here. So, and since then there's no more signal, there's no signal here at all. Okay, anybody wants to see anything else? Okay, Robert, no worries. You want opinion on gold? Okay, so Vuyo, let's quickly review the GBP USD again. I believe we've done it already, but because we probably come a little bit after we've done that. So let me review what happened to GBP USD today. Okay, so try to see where you went wrong. Okay, when the GBP USD opened today, it gave you a sell signal. So if you have got a sell signal here, you could have closed your profits, your trade in TP1 profit. So what happened? Did you close in profit here? Okay, that is one. Secondly, it went up and give you a buy signal here. Yes, of course you bought here, but your stop loss is below this line, or on this line, or a little bit below it. As you can see, price never touched it. So you shouldn't have been in a stop loss here at all. So you got your TP1 here, you enter trade here, and as we measured before, from here to here is another TP1. So you have won 2 trades. And then you come over here, the third trade is this one, and then you won 3 trades. So what happened? So what happened? How do you come out with the loss? Vuyo, how do you come out with a loss? Because all we can see here are 3 trades, and all the 3 trades are successful, except your box is different. Check your box, make sure that your box is drawn in the right place. So if your box is drawn in the right place, there is no reason not to make money on GBP USD today. Okay, good stuff. Do you trade all the currency pairs or major? Initially, this was recommended to be used on GBP USD, but it's been used on all the majors, and some people even changed the box to trade Asian session, and it's been working on gold and different instruments. But I would say you have to test it yourself. It's very easy to back test. Let me tell you how to back test this strategy. Okay, so all you need to do if you want to back test is just, let me remove this line here. Let me remove these 2 lines. So this is 5 minutes to back test it. You just have to look at it visually. Okay, from looking at it, you will know that this will give you your TP1 or TP2, at least TP1. Okay, just by looking at it. Then you go backwards. If you look at this one, yeah, it looks like you may have you will get your TP1 here, and if you draw a line over there, you will get your TP1, TP2, TP3. We analyzed this yesterday. Yesterday was a very good day. Okay, there you go again. That's number 2. Okay, on this occasion, if you draw your line here, you may have gone into a buy trade, which can stop you out, but you can see that your sell trade will make you 3 times of whatever you are stopped out in a buy trade. That's number 3. So that's how you do it, your back test. You just go scroll backward and keep looking at the history. Look at this one. This one, there's no question whether you make money or not. In fact, this one, even if you close your eyes, you can't lose money because the prices keep going up forever. So that's how to test it. So you run this over like a month or 2 months or 3 months. If you are sophisticated, you can get a spreadsheet and put those prices there and see what happens. So it will give you much needed confidence. Okay, your box is at the wrong place on GBP. Thank you for that. Hello, gay. I'm sure my box is the right place. It has been the same place since I started this strategy. So, are you on the Telegram channel? Because that might help you a little bit. The reason why I'm saying that is that every morning. Okay, all right. Let me check. You know, you don't say no to everything. So let's check. Okay, so my box is in the right place. My box is 9 to 10. Are you on the Telegram channel? Yeah, I'm checking. So it's 9 to 10 IC market, okay? If you're on the Telegram channel, answer whether you are there or not. Because what happens is that every morning, I will go on Telegram channel at just after this box is complete. And I will post a chart so that everyone will look at the chart, compare it to your chart and see where the box is. If the box is at the wrong place, you need to change it and make sure the box line up with the one I am posting. Because I know it's a bit difficult to know GMT and also to be able to factor out what is your broker's time. But the picture of that chart will help you. So if you need to go on Telegram channel, let me know and I'll send you the link. Okay, so anybody have any question? Okay. All right. This is the Telegram channel. Pop in there. You can see that on Monday you have a different view because everyone on the Telegram channel, we have synchronized all our charts. All our charts are looking exactly the same, okay? Some people are trading Asian box as well. Okay, somebody wanted to see gold or something. Let's see. Who wants to see gold? Let's see gold. Oh, right. Is this today? This is today for gold. Brilliant. I mean, can anybody lose money on gold today if this is the box? Yeah. Callum, yeah. Have you traded gold today? Have you? Because it looks like it's a one way today for gold. I mean, there's no other way. You can't come down. I mean, let me just draw the line. Let me just put the two line. Okay, I got one line here. I'm going to put the second line. And I'm going to put the second line here. Okay, so this is the box here in the morning and it break upwards. Tell me, anybody can lose money on this one? Is it possible actually? Why? It's not possible to lose money on this one. I can guarantee you. Even if you want to throw it to the market, it will say, I don't want your money. Reason is, when you've gone long here, your stop loss is right at the bottom. So, why will you lose money when your stop loss is way down here? It's down here. And your stop loss is down here and you went long here. So, you only went long and off you go. You took off and nothing is stopping you. How did you go finger that box? Well, the box is drawn automatically for us. So let me zoom into the box. So if I zoom into the box, you can see that's the box there is between. Okay, let's view data window. Watch that with data window, see what time it's saying. It's saying 9:15, 9:25 until 10 o'clock. And it stopped at 10 o'clock. So there we go. Okay. How did you feel? What was the prep of the boss? That's 9 to 10. That's what I just explained now. Okay, so for gold, let's just play around with gold because I like gold. I don't know about you. So our box for gold is 50 pips. 49. Let's just round it up to 50 pips. Okay. The gold box, not the gold dust. The gold box is 50 pips. So from here, let's see where we have entered. So let's do proper analysis. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. Let's see. For the new people, this is your chance. This is your chance. This is candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. Where is your trigger candle? Which one is your trigger candle? 1, 2, or 3? Okay, Eloge, 3, yes. Hannah Adkan, 3, yes. What is the box? Are you doing the size of the box? Mr. Alex, 3, yes. Mr. Alex. Mr. Alex has spoken, okay? Mr. Alex has spoken. Oh, indicator, okay. Yes, the indicator is called sessions. Okay, let me show you. The indicators, the name is called session. And you can find it right in the Telegram group. It's in the Telegram group. You can go there and download it. You can download it in the Telegram group. Okay, it's called sessions. All right. Okay, for the link, yeah, this is the Telegram link. If you need to go there and download, if you go there now, you'll still find the indicator there. So go there now and download it. Okay, it's free. Okay, no charge. Okay, anybody wants to see anything else? Don't worry, Mr. Alex. I can understand everything you're saying. You know, English is not the only language in this world. Everybody has different languages, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, the super trend strategy is very great. It's very good. The difference is that this one, most of the time, you will take 1 trade a day. So if you like to be quiet, trading quietly, you don't want to look at many indicators, actually no indicators at all. You just want to take 1 or 2 trades a day and that's it, you are happy. Then this is your baby. Here is your friend. But if you're a technical guy who wants to see all the indicators lined up and you want to make your decision based on indicators, then super trend is a great strategy for you. So you just have to look at which one works for you. Which one, make you tick. Excellent. Okay, we have seen US 30, mate. We have seen US 30 already. Sheba, we have seen US 30. Anything else? We've seen US 30. We've seen gold. We've seen GBP USD. Did we? No, we haven't actually. Oh, let's finish up this analysis before we leave this place. Okay. So we said number 3. So everybody said number 3. That's correct. So don't let us forget that. So number 3, this is, if you say number 1 is wrong, number 2 is wrong, and number 3 is the correct answer. So let's finish that analysis before we go. Right. So number 3, we are going to put a buy order, a market order to buy from here, and our stop loss is right below this line. Okay. And our take profit is going to be the size of this box. Right, let's see how many pips. Yeah, that's a good number of pips. Or did we say? Yeah, we said, okay, let's just say 50. It's 49, but let's say 50 pips. Just a round figure. 50 pips. 50 pips. So, ladies and gentlemen, did you think we can get 50 pips? Do you think we can get 50 pips from here down to the top? Okay, let me see who's going to make the closest guess. Okay, how many pips are there? Forex traders, experienced traders. How many pips do you think are there between this line and the top line here, the highest point here, highest price? Make a guess. Make a calculated guess. How many pips? We are looking for 50 pips. This box is 50 pips. So using this box, how many pips do you think it could be on this from here to the top? Anybody? 200, 2,500, 120. Anyone that gets it right, the closest person that gets it right, I'm going to send him one strategy today. You just pop in your email address and I will send you a strategy, okay, that you can use to trade in live account or demo account, okay? All right, so the closest person to the answer. Could you give me the setup for gold? For gold, it's the same setup. 143, 130. Okay. Nah. We don't want times 3. You have to give the number. You have to give exact number. Okay, 150 points. Okay, 150 points. Saber. You need to give the exact number. Okay. Column, session. Okay, right. Okay, that is the Telegram. If you need to sign up, no need to sign up, just go there and download the indicator. It's there. Okay, G is 220, mention is 260, Vuyo is 150. Okay, all right. Is that everybody? Is that all? Because I'm going to go for it now. And somebody is going to get a strategy tonight. 127. Okay? I hope no cheating. No. Nobody's cheating. No one is looking at their chart, right? No one must look at their chart, man. Because 127 looks like somebody's looking at his chart. Am I right? Okay, never mind. It's all fun. All fun. Okay, 160. Oh, no. Vuyo, you got to decide. Is it 160 or 165? Is it 160 or 165? Okay. So I remember we're going to measure from here to the top. To the top there. Look, this box is 50 pips. So how many of these boxes do you think we can get there? You can still change your answer if you want. Felix, 190. Okay. You go with 160. All right. That's it. Line cut. Now I'm going to measure. Okay. Right. So once I measure, you can't say your answer anymore. Felix is the last one for 190. Okay. Let's measure from here. And we're going to the top. Top of the mountain. You. Top of the mountain. We got 120. I think one guy has measured it. 125, 26. Huh? Somebody's measured it, huh? Oh, Logi, you have measured it. 126. Let me measure second time so we can get it right. Let's measure second time from here. 120. Let's measure properly. 124, 25. All right, we round up to 125. Who is the closest to 125? Who was the closest? Okay, Ologe was 127. Kiwan was 150. Oh, Hannah Arkan was 130. Who else? Vuyo was 100. Eva Truna was 130. Okay. Eloge was 120 before he changed his mind. Mr. Alice, 2,500. San Diego, 200. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, please type your answers. Who do you think has won? Did you think Eloge has won? Any objection to Eloge winning the competition? Any objection before we declare him the winner? Yeah, Vuyo, you were close. You were close. You were close. Any objection before we declare him the winner? Okay. Oh, I think, yeah, well, I don't know about that. I don't know because I'm not there. I don't have a camera to watch who is cheating or who made some guess. So I don't know. Eloge wins. Okay, all right. Let's give it to Eloge. Eloge, you won. Whether by crook or by genuine, you just won. Good, 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 good. Eloge, you won. All right, no objection. Okay, I clap for you. Right. So pop in your email address, and I will send you the strategy that somebody was asking about now. Somebody was asking about the trend trading strategy. It's a very powerful strategy. I will send it to your email address if you want. It's not by force. If you don't want it, that's fine. Okay. Excellent. So, do we want to see anything else before we close our shop today? Because the shop is going to be closed in a moment. Okay. All right. Let me get that. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, right. Good stuff. Thank you so much. Okay, good stuff. All right. So Eloge won the competition and it's going to get the indicator. That's fine. How? What are you doing? Gilbert, why are you sending me your email? What do you want? What do you want? You want indicator too? Is it? Is that what you're saying? Did you say you want indicator as well? Look. No problems. But this one is promised to Eloge. Eloge got it. Okay? We gave him the honor for passing that. Excellent. Okay, anybody wants to see anything else? Anybody wants to see anything else? How often do you have this live session? We try to do it every day. But if you want, I also on the Telegram channel, I post when I'm going to do the live session. When it's about half an hour, I will post it on the Telegram channel. So if you are not there, you can go there now and join so that you know exactly when I'm going to do my live session. Okay? So if you don't have the link, this is the link. Click the link now and join. Okay? Join now, and then you have me and my live session. You know the time exactly when I'm doing it. Cool. All right. Anybody wants to see anything else before we round up? Because we are rounding up in a minute, any minute from now. All right. We're going to round up. Okay, so finally, let us check. Let us try to use this strategy for Asian box. Okay? Oh, yeah, we need to celebrate the weekend. That's true. Now, let me teach you if you need to use it for Asian box. Okay, so if you need to use it for Asian box, what you need to do is the color here that will say none. You just change it to any color that you prefer. I always say green, something like green. Okay, so once you change the color, it will start to show on the chart. Okay. In the spirit of SBS. Oh, in the spirit of SBS. Okay, all right. So what you do then is pop in your email address in this chart. Okay? Pop in your email address on this chart and I will send it to you. Okay? Everybody. Okay? I'll send it to you because you all tried. Okay? All right. So we put Asian color here as green and we set 2 to 3. 2 to 3 as the box. Okay? We know someone used this to trade JP225, which is a nickel, Japanese stock market. Okay, so the person used this one to trade it. So let's see what they got today, whether it's a good day today for the strategy. Okay, so this is today. Today I don't think it's not great today. Okay, let's see yesterday. Yesterday was better. You can see good yesterday. What of day before? Day before you got one trick out, but eventually you make some good money. That's good as well. Day before then, fantastic. What about day before that one? This is like, yeah, one probably one loss and one profit. Day before then, this was a good trade. This is sell trade, good. Day before then, also fantastic. Day before then, perfect. Day before then, great. Day before then, average, 1 TP1 and maybe 1 break even. Day before then, super, excellent, all money through. So this is how you backtest. Day before then, super, good money. So you can look through your chart. Look, day before then, fantastic. You can only buy and you make your TP1, TP2 here. So you backtest by doing this. So you take it, put it on your chart and keep backtesting it and look at the result. Okay, if there's no more further question, thank you all for sending the email addresses. After this lesson, I will shot the email to you. I will post it to your email address, the strategy, and then you guys can have fun with it, enjoy it. And I want you to join me also on the Telegram channel, as I said, because all my announcement will be coming through the Telegram channel. So if you want to know about what we are doing, because there's some big news coming very soon, big news. So I will be announcing it on that Telegram channel. So join that Telegram channel and then we'll catch up there. Okay, thank you so much today. I really appreciate you coming and join this lesson. And I hope you enjoy your weekend. Die hard, die hard, die hard. You are here. Okay, Lulu, you are here. Good. All right, I'll send it to everybody that has put their email address down. Good, thank God. Thank goodness that your time was well spent. Mine was well spent as well. I enjoyed talking to you guys. And I hope you all have good time. Okay, so the captain is going to sign off very soon. And I hope that all of you will keep safe. Enjoy your weekend. Refresh your energy, okay? Enjoy the weekend. Relax. Because Monday is another trading day. I've been trading for 4 years. I know this is $1 million content. Oh, thank you so much. Eloge. Good to see you. Good to be a member, all right? Just make sure you pop into the Telegram channel because that is where over 400 traders are there. Can you imagine what happened when 400 people are in the same group doing the same trade? All we are doing there is one trade, SBS strategy, nothing else. No distraction. We don't distract ourselves with anything else. So come there, fully prepared, ready to roll, ready to rock and make money in Forex. Okay, thank you very much. Kiwan, thank you so much as well. And I'm going to talk to you very shortly. So good night, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Good morning, everybody, wherever you are. Good day. Talk to you.